So this video will help you to get rid of those neck wrinkles, mouth wrinkles, any kind of wrinkles generally. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title goes, this will help to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines. If you have aging skin, if you have freckles, you know, eye wrinkles, any kind of wrinkles at all, this will help to eradicate it, giving you a more youthful and younger skin. I'll be sharing with you two things you can apply. You know, this is one of them and the other one to apply before this for effective results. So do continue watching because this video will help you greatly. So the ingredients are quite simple, things you can find in your kitchen, purely natural. You can get it from the supermarket or you can easily get it around you. So let's go into this remedy right away. So to make this treatment, the first ingredient you have to think of is coffee. As you can see it, you can see the seeds. That is coffee ground. So if you have coffee in a powdered form, you can make use of it. It will blend more. So coffee is an antioxidant that helps to debloat the skin. If you have puffy skin, it will help to bring it down. If you also have a tired looking skin, it will help to get rid of stress. So this will help greatly to reduce those wrinkles on your skin by fighting free radical damage that makes you age faster, giving you a more youthful skin that glows. Try to get coffee, the usual morning coffee tea. You can use any brand of coffee. I'm just using this because this is what I have right now. They all work the same. So the next one you have to get is Vaseline. I love Vaseline so well because it helps greatly to retain moisture on your skin, like preventing dryness. If you have dry, flaky skin, it gets rid of it. Wrinkles sometimes start giving you symptoms like dryness. You know, your skin will start squeezing and looking so dull. Vaseline will help greatly to prevent that, helping to make sure your skin is looking so supple when moisturized and looking younger. So we have here vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. If you have this vitamin E in a bottle, okay, you can make use of it. This is the capsule form. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage that makes you start developing wrinkles. In case you have wrinkles already, with consistent use, it will be reducing and reducing until you have no wrinkles anymore. So try to get vitamin E. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can make use of almond oil. Almond oil is a very powerful oil that I love so much. So this is an oil that helps to retain moisture on your skin by moisturizing your skin so well, brightening the skin, like it helps to prevent a dull looking skin. So almond oil contains vitamin E. If you don't have vitamin E, you can make use of it. Next one here is coconut oil. I love coconut oil so well, and that is because it's filled with important things that helps the skin. Okay, so very nourishing. If you have dry skin, it helps greatly. If you have aging skin, maybe you start developing some aging signs, it helps to smoothen the skin, preventing those dryness or wrinkle skin. So coconut oil is very powerful, not only for your hair, for hair growth, it will also help to keep your skin looking younger. So try to get coconut oil. So it's time to tell you the measurements, how to mix for effective results. So what I added here, I first added 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, then I added coffee, half tablespoon of coffee. As you can see, coffee is not much, but if you want it to blend very well, you have to mix it so that everything will turn brown. Okay, you have the powdered coffee, like I said earlier, it will help you greatly. So go on and add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. A little goes a long way. If it's the bottle one you have, the vitamin E in bottle, just add few drops of it. If it's almond oil you want to make use of, just go on and add just less than half teaspoon, just few drops of almond oil, and you're all good. If it's the coffee in a more ground form, if yours is more ground, all you have to do is to add just half tablespoon as well. Mix it, and when you mix it, it's going to blend better than this. okay, it's going to mix properly. So go on and add half tablespoon of coconut oil. Make sure your coconut oil is extra virgin coconut oil, like 100% coconut oil. So after that, you have to mix thoroughly using a spoon. Make sure it mixes it and it's very smooth. So when you are done, it's time to show you how to apply it for best results. You have to apply egg whites before applying the other treatment, okay, the one with Vaseline. This will help to tighten your skin. It's going to help to firm that area before applying the other one. So let's go into the way I applied. I will show you right now how to apply for effective results. So this is how I treat my neck wrinkles. You want to get rid of neck wrinkles, you want to make your neck looking young, this will help you greatly. So I'm going to be showing you 2 ways you can treat your neck to make them looking very young and more youthful. So first, I'm going to apply egg whites. Applying egg whites will help to firm that area, tighten it. With time, it gets rid of neck wrinkles finally. So this particular one is a paste after the egg whites. So I'm going to start right now. I won't be talking, so I believe you are going to understand. So here is egg whites. Make sure you wash that area before applying this treatment. So this is actually the paste. All you have to do is just to make sure you mix your paste very well. You know, make sure that your coffee mixes properly. If it mixes well, you see that the color will come out properly. From the video, the color was not like this, and that is because the seed, you know, the particles of the coffee did not blend well. So go on and blend it very well so that it will look well blended. Then apply this all over your neck. So after applying this paste, just leave it on, okay? Do not wash it off, leave it on like that. So you have to use 3 times weekly to keep your neck more youthful, younger, you know, no wrinkles, looking so young all the time. So go on and try this treatment, okay? Apply it 3 times weekly for best result. You can store this particular one in the fridge, maximum of 5 days. But please, this egg white should be used only 2 times. Do not keep it 5 days because it's going to smell. So this is the end of this video. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Check my other videos, you will see so many helpful ones that will help you greatly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.